Okay, today we're going to be cooking on a bit of an Asian dish. Now this is why I freeze stuff. I cooked some pork belly and I had plenty left over, so I froze it for another day. And same for the prawns. I got some buckets and they were fresh, and we froze them for another day. Some simple frozen Asian noodles, and of course this good old Chinese chili black bean paste, or with a bit of pork in it. This is really nice. So what I'm going to do today is just show you for a quick and easy meal. So when you come home, you're tired and whatever, you can make it, and just the idea of freezing bits of pieces. A bit of spring onion out the garden, that's for a bit of a decoration afterwards and a bit of flavour. But this is really simple and quick and easy, and people love it. So let's get it going. We'll put a bit of water in the pot. Got some from it, it's all frozen, so that's crispy belly. So all you're going to do, because it's already cooked, you're just basically going to reheat it. And it's still frozen, so I just cut it frozen. And you can bung that in there. So we put the prawns in here because this is like a bit of a stock. So it gives you a bit of stock, this does. And then cook. So when you're pretty happy with that, the job's right. I might stick that up a bit higher, I think. A little bit more heat. Now make sure you stir them a little bit, because otherwise they'll stick and it won't be very nice. Same for the pork. We'll put the pork in the same time we put the spinach, because all we're going to do is heat the pork up. That's all we're going to do. It's already cooked. So I use the old chopsticks. This is simple. Excellent. Just put this in there, a bit of pork, with this, with that. That's it. Ready? The old egg ready. And that heat up for a minute. I'll eat your nose. It's really nice. Basically it, that's really done. Right, that's pretty well good. Turn that off. Get our bits. I do it this way. I'm talking on my video. You can come in if you like. Well, pretty good. Pull that in there. Now I'm going to throw the egg on top. And this will just let that do that. Chili paste, see how it's got the oil in there? So we'll bring this back over here. It's got the oil in it. I just put a mountain full, that's all I do. And then I get the hot water from the soup. Like so. Put that back in the fridge. I'll just leave it there now. Get the hot water. Make sure you've got all the bits out. It's always nice to get all the bits. Waste not, want not. And just pour a bit of the soup over it. That's all I do. And that'll cook that like so. And that's all I do is spring onion over the top. And that is my rice noodle with prawn and pork with an egg on top, raw egg on top. And that's it. Just get my egg and just spray it through, mix him up, make it nice and creamy, and look at that, and just mix him up. And this will warm you up on a winter's night, and it's a good feed. Alright, always remember, don't trust a skinny chef, and please like and subscribe, it helps us. And I hope you enjoy and hope this helps you out. Simple, quick meal. This took all about 10 minutes, mate. Good stuff. Take care. See you next time.